morning, Saturday, Fern Creek, Kentucky, and we're on our way to Vincennes. We've got some family members that have no heat. Vincennes is approximately 2.5 hours away. We're going to be heading that way. It's almost to the Illinois border. So me and my good buddy are heading up there. All right, y'all, we'll get right back to you. There's our new bridge in the making. The Ohio River. Said we're on our way to Vincennes, Indiana. Here's a shot of downtown Louisville in the morning. Here's our Louisville Slugger ballpark. There's our Yum Center, KF's Yum Center. That's where U of L plays ball. We're gonna have a lot of ball games there with March Madness and everything. Joe's Crab Shack. So we're getting ready. There's a towboat, Bella Louisville. Really nice looking sight in the early morning. There's the Bella Louisville. That's a paddle boat, guys. See? We got some barges. And we got our locks down here. Oh, there's the Muhammad Ali Center. He comes to town a lot. He's from here. And there's Louisville Slugger. That's where our bats are produced at. Ones that everybody in the professional industry use, and all the way down to Little League. All right, guys. Figured y'all might get a kick out of it. We're in Sulphur. It looks pretty wicked, don't it? Sulphur. Wow. Boy, the White River's up. Look at that, guys. They're all flooded out. We've had some bad rain, and of course we had that real bad snow. Man, oh man, ain't that something? 76-16.
Turn right in 200 yards.
Yeah, there it is. All right, guys, we're here.
Your destination is on the right.
From your destination. Turn right. Destination reached.
All right, guys, we're on a York heat pump here, 3-ton, and it's a YHJR36S41S4A. Call complaint was no heat in the heat pump mode, in the heating mode on the heat pump. But we're going to give it a quick check. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up in the heating mode, and then we're going to test the reversing valve first. So let me get this thing going. All right, guys, we got here and we figured out that we had a thermostat problem. We actually arrived and we pulled it to heat. I was not getting any voltage out to C and Y. We came in here, we jumpered it out, and we determined it came on. And just a pretty easy call here, guys. Take a peek at that, y'all. This is just one wall. All right, guys, we're still on our Vincennes, Indiana here. We're a couple of 100 miles away from home, and basically this is for family. But when we arrived, we had no heat in the In the heat pump mode, we had no heat. So what I did was, as soon as I got here, I went straight for the yellow and the common, and I tested, and we didn't have 24 volts out there. All right, guys, what we determined was we had a bad thermostat. All right, well, we had several thermostats on the truck, but we didn't have the right one. We brought everything with us, man. We brought reversing valve, we brought TXVs, we brought the whole kitchen sink with us. But, however, we got lucky. Like I said, this is a small one-horse town here, guys, but they had a plumbing outfit here in town, and we got hold of them, and they actually opened up for us, and they sold us this train. And basically, this train here is actually a Honeywell Vision Pro. So right now we're cycling off. We're going to make sure everything's running right, and as you can see, this little red indicator right here, we're actually in emergency heat. We're actually running our strip heat now. So we're actually going to fire everything off, and I reckon that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, we're firing off the outdoor unit, and everything seems to be running great. So, all right, guys, we're heading back home. See y'all. All right, guys, we got everything buttoned up. We're loaded for bear. Man, check out that Super Duty. I love this truck, guys. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share with you real quick. We brought most everything we could think of. We've got a reversing valve for the outdoor York unit. We've got the time defrost board for the outdoor unit. We actually brought a board for the indoor York unit, and brought a contactor just in case. Got the outdoor TXV. We determined that we had a bad thermostat, and we thought we had a thermostat on the truck, and we didn't. We got lucky, and a friend of the family, actually he's a plumber, and he's actually got a little shop, and we got a thermostat from him. Basically, this is a 3-heat, 2-cool Trane, but it's actually a Honeywell thermostat with the Trane name on it. It's Vision Pro. But anyway, guys, we got everybody up and running. Got to spend time with family and got something good to eat, and now we're heading back to Louisville, guys. We probably got a 2.5-hour trip. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right, guys, we're off and running. Looks like we got 2 hours and 32 minutes, 138 miles. Should be home by about 6:30. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go over the Ohio River. We're leaving Indiana, and we're getting back to big old Kentucky. Hell yeah.